Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The 2023 Plus Honda CR-V may trigger diagnostic trouble code DTC P2400-16, indicating an issue with the evaporative emission EVAP Leak Check Pump control circuit. This trouble code specifically points to a low voltage condition in the EVAP Leak Check Pump. The Engine Control Module, ECM, or Powertrain Control Module, PCM, monitors the voltage output to the EVAP Leak Check Module vacuum pump. If the module's vacuum pump output voltage is detected to be low, while the PCM outputs a signal that it should be off, this discrepancy leads to the storage of DTC P2400-16, as the PCM recognizes an abnormality in the circuit. This DTC is crucial as it relates to the vehicle's emission system, which plays an essential role in reducing harmful emissions and ensuring regulatory compliance. Addressing this issue promptly helps maintain the vehicle's efficiency and environmental standards. The error code P2400-16 is related to the EVAP Leak Check Pump, which has a vital role in monitoring the evaporative emission system. This component is designed to create negative pressure in the fuel system to detect leaks, ensuring that harmful vapors do not escape into the atmosphere. The EVAP Leak Check Pump is typically located near the fuel tank, allowing it to effectively manage the vapor collection. The PCM, Powertrain Control Module, actively communicates with this pump, and if it detects low voltage output while the pump is meant to be off, it triggers the DTC as it indicates an electrical fault. By identifying any issues with this circuit, technicians can ensure that the vehicle adheres to emissions regulations and operates efficiently. Understanding the exact location and function of the EVAP Leak Check Pump can assist in effectively diagnosing the related issues. Several possible causes can lead to the activation of DTC P2400-16. One common culprit is wiring issues, such as shorted or open circuits, that can disrupt the electrical supply to the EVAP Leak Check Pump. Damaged or corroded wiring would compromise the operational integrity of the circuit. Another potential cause may be a faulty EVAP Leak Check module itself, which could fail to operate correctly, thus affecting the voltage readings. Additionally, a malfunctioning PCM, Powertrain Control Module, can result in incorrect signals being sent to the EVAP system. The PCM may misinterpret or fail to output correct voltage signals due to internal faults. Thoroughly diagnosing these components is essential to pinpointing the root of the problem and rectifying it to ensure system efficiency. The activation of DTC P2400-16 can manifest several noticeable symptoms. One of the most common indicators is the illumination of the check engine light, CEL, on the dashboard, serving as a warning that there is a fault within the vehicle's emission control system. Drivers may also experience poor fuel economy, as an inefficiency in the EVAP system can lead to increased fuel consumption. This could be due to unmonitored fuel vapors, which negatively impact the engine's performance. Additionally, if this DTC is not addressed, it can lead to a vehicle failing emissions tests, preventing compliance with local environmental regulations. Awareness of these symptoms will encourage timely diagnosis and repair, ultimately enhancing vehicle operation and compliance. The initial step in troubleshooting DTC P2400-16 involves ensuring the vehicle is set to the on mode. This allows the necessary systems to be activated for diagnostic procedures. Following this, utilize the HDS, Honda Diagnostic System, to perform the EVAP Leak Check Module test. The HDS provides valuable diagnostic capabilities, offering insights into the functionality of the EVAP system. During the test, The technician can determine whether the EVAP leak check module is functioning correctly based on the feedback received from the system. If the results indicate that the module test is not okay, it suggests that the malfunction is either in the module itself or in the wiring leading to it, necessitating further investigation. In the second step of the troubleshooting process for DTC P2400-16, you need to inspect the external circuit for any visual abnormalities. This inspection focuses on checking for shorted wires, which can often be the culprit behind low-voltage signals to the EVAP system. Shorts can occur due to frayed wires, poor connections, or physical damage caused by wear and tear. It is essential to conduct this inspection methodically, ensuring that all wiring leading to and from the EVAP leak check module is intact and secure. If any damaged wires are identified, replacing or repairing them can restore normal voltage levels to the module. This step is crucial to eliminate wiring issues as a cause before proceeding further. The third step in troubleshooting DTC P2400-16 involves checking the connections to the powertrain control module, PCM. Proper connectivity is vital, as loose or corroded connections can lead to incorrect readings and malfunction of the EVAP leak check pump. It is important to inspect the connector pins for any signs of corrosion or damage that might interrupt the electrical flow. If no external issues are found, then the possibility of internal faults within the PCM must be considered. A malfunctioning PCM could fail to send the correct signals to the EVAP module, either due to software errors or internal defects. Testing the PCM's functionality with advanced diagnostic tools may be necessary at this stage to ensure accurate readings and functionality. After completing the troubleshooting steps for DTC P2400-16 and addressing any issues found, it is essential to verify the repairs made. Begin this process by clearing the DTC from the PCM memory using the HDS. This ensures that the previously stored fault no longer affects the vehicle's operation or diagnostics. Following this, conduct a final test drive under various operating conditions to ensure that the EVAP system is functioning properly and that no reoccurrence of the trouble code is noted. Monitoring the vehicle's performance during this test will confirm that all repairs were successful and that the EVAP leak check pump is operating efficiently. It is a critical step to ensure the integrity of the emission system before declaring the repair process complete. To ensure long-term reliability and prevent future occurrence of DTC P2400-16, regular preventive maintenance of the emission system is highly recommended. Periodically inspecting the EVAP leak check module and its associated wiring for any signs of wear, corrosion, or damage can help catch potential issues before they affect the vehicle's performance. Keeping the electrical connections clean and secure is essential in maintaining the system's efficacy. Additionally, having the vehicle undergo routine diagnostic tests can identify pending issues that may not yet trigger fault codes but could indicate underlying problems. Preventive maintenance helps ensure compliance with emission regulations and retains vehicle performance standards, fostering sustainability and operational efficiency. In summary, the DTC P2400-16 signifies a low-voltage condition in the EVAP leak check pump control circuit, indicating the need for thorough troubleshooting. Key components impacted include the EVAP leak check module, wiring, and PCM. Following the outlined troubleshooting steps methodically will ensure an accurate diagnosis and effective resolution of the problem. Regular preventive maintenance is essential to minimize the risk of recurrence and maintain optimal vehicle performance. Addressing this DTC not only aids in enhancing fuel efficiency, but also ensures compliance with environmental regulations, directly contributing to responsible vehicle ownership. Through diligent care and attention to the EVAP system, drivers can ensure their Honda CR-V remains in peak operating condition. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.